Hi everyone. I'm here today to talk about a concept that we see on both the SAT and the ACT. And it's a concept that is actually very easy, but one that students often make careless mistakes on. And I'm here today to show you how to avoid those careless mistakes. So the concept I want to talk about is one that many of you probably learned in middle school or early high school, and that is the concept of PEMDAS, or as many of you call it, the order of operations. And what that stands for is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And it is the order that you need to complete your steps in. And so what goes along with this is ensuring that you use both the pencil and your calculator in order to avoid careless mistakes. And so I'm going to show you a question that actually appears in the big red ACT book that many of you have possibly seen. This is question 18, and it comes from test 1 in that official guide to the ACT. And if we take a look here, it's actually a function question as well. And it's saying in here, what is the value of f of -4? And as many of you might know, that means that x is going to be equal to -4 in the function. So wherever we see x, we're going to plug in -4. And so I'm going to start to write that in here, but I'm going to be very careful as to where I put my parentheses in here. And so I'm going to put that -4 in a parenthesis, and I'm also going to put it again here in a parenthesis. Okay? And so our first step is one that I call kind of like the vertical cross-off method. And it's important that we input everything properly into our calculator. So here, we're going to first in our calculator put a parenthesis around -4 and then cube it, and then we're going to get -64. And then we're going to do the same thing with -4 squared, and that's going to be +16. And then I'm just going to put these other numbers back in here. And then the next step in PEMDAS is the multiplication portion. And once again, I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to show the vertical cross-off method that I'm doing here so that my data is more organized. And when I hit my calculator and I go to -4 times -64, I get +256. And over here, when I do -4 times 16, I get -64. So right now I have 256 minus 64. Subtraction will be my last step in here. And I get as my final answer 192, which is going to be answer choice J. And as you can see here, the ACT test makers have made a lot of possible trap answers for you. They know exactly how you're going to miscalculate the information, how you're going to improperly put things into your calculator or not use your parenthesis button. And so hopefully this lesson here will help you to avoid some of those traps on your SAT or your ACT.